Hi, my name is Alper, and I create lifelike AI avatars that bring your message to life in a unique and captivating way. All I need is a photo of you, and I'll turn it into a talking avatar. You decide what they wear, where they sit, and the entire setting. Everything is fully customized, including your logo and branding elements. Forget the competition creating unrealistic avatars. I specialize in high-quality, natural-looking results that truly stand out. I don't just create avatars. I produce complete promotional videos that showcase your business in the best possible way. Whether it's a product ad, a business introduction, or a creative video project, I make it happen. AI avatars are cost-effective, flexible, and the future of marketing. Let's make your message unforgettable. And here's the twist. I'm not real either. I'm my own AI avatar, created to show you what's possible. Ready to get started? Send me your photo, and let's create something amazing together.